In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different points which will help you guys to achieve a financial freedom. So let's dive into the topic. First point is budgeting and expense tracking. When you have a fixed income or you have a fixed salary, you have to have a proper budget for your monthly expense, and you have to have a expense tracking. Japanese people, they used to keep a ledger in what are their basic needs, like which amount I need for my rent, or for the education, for the food, grocery expenses, leisure, or for savings. They used to split their income into 4 to 5 segments and put it separately. So in a month, you will have a clear idea what is your exact budget, whether you are over the budget or how much you have to save from this particular fixed salary. Second thing is that emergency fund. Emergency fund creation. Example, if you observe, there are a lot of people in the world, they used to buy a lottery ticket on daily basis, right? If you take an Indian, maybe he's going to buy a lottery ticket of 50 to 100 rupees on a daily basis, right? If you calculate that amount into a month, at least you take it for 25 days, which is equal to 2,500 Indian rupees. In a year, which is equal to 30,000 Indian rupees. But for the same guy who met with any like hospital case, anyone who is ill or sick in their family, and they want to take them to the hospital and they have to pay some hospital amount, the same person who spent 30,000 for a lottery ticket and he don't get any prizes, but the same guy won't be able to have 30 to 40,000 rupees in his hand. He don't have that money. He don't have any kind of savings. At least the amount he spent for the lottery ticket, he don't have that balance. It's or expect that, okay, you're gonna win the lottery ticket and get a lot of money, but at the same time, if any crisis came or any financial situation came, we don't have an emergency fund. So it is better to have a 3 to 6 months of your total salary. For example, if you have a 10,000 rupees salary or at $1,000 as an income on monthly basis, you have to keep 3 to 6 months of that amount anywhere in the bank. It can be physically in the bank, or you can save it as in the form of gold or anything. You can make it as a liquid cash on an immediate basis. If you have that backup plan, then it is fine. If anything happens in the future, if anything happens for you or for your job, for anything in the family, you are absolutely free, or you are absolutely able to manage for another 3 to 6 months. Third point is debt reduction plan. What is debt reduction? You always have a personal loan, car loan, housing loan, different kinds of loan. We always have it, right? Instead of paying a monthly EMI, you have to collect a certain amount, or you have to save a certain amount from your revenue or from your income, and you have to try to pay the extra principal amount to that loan or that credit card bill, or for your housing loan, whatever it is. It will help you to reduce the loan amount. The fourth point is that investing for growth. Where you can invest? I'll tell you. Investing in a diverse portfolio, which is like stock market, bonds, mutual fund, real estate, or anywhere. Diversify your investment, and these investment, make sure that these are going to grow in coming years. This will help you to increase your revenue, or this will help you to generate more income for you, or you will achieve a financial freedom. Because of all these diversifying investment, you will be able to achieve a healthy stage or a wealthy stage where you don't need to worry about your financial crisis. Retirement account. What is retirement account? Most of us are working, continuously working, doing, saving some amount and doing some activities, or our life is going on. But we have to have a plan for our retirement after 60 years old, after like 70 years old. What you have to do, because that time you don't have a revenue, you don't have anything on a monthly basis coming to your account, but at the same time you have to make sure that you have the same living expenses, maybe higher than that because of the hospital cases, or for the kids' education, or any other family financial things you have to manage, right? But you don't have any revenue, you don't have any income. So you have to plan now how to make sure that your retirement life will be comfortable. Fifth point is that mindful spending. What is mindful spending? There are 2 types of things. One is need, another one is want. Instead of purchasing an item, for example, okay, I need this one. I need this one means you have a reason for that, because without that one, you're not gonna complete something, or because at any cost you have to get that one. That is your need. Second thing is, I want this one. I want a second car. That means that is not your need. If you already have a car and you are planning to buy a second car, I want a second car just to show off to my friends, just to show that I'm a rich guy. That is something you want to satisfy your mind, or you want to show your ego, or you want to show off something, right? That is something you want, but there is a need. If you need something, you can go for it. Before buying anything, you have to make sure that, okay, do I need this one or do I want that one? So whether if it is a genuine need, okay, at any cost I have to get this one, then you have to plan that and you have to go for it. But if it is something which is not necessary, which is not required, then it is better to skip that one. It is better to avoid and invest that money into your future investment or use for something which is really useful. So if you find something valuable from this video, my name is Sujit Thomas and thanks for watching this channel. If you like this kind of content, if you want to support, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.